Hey friends, it's Michaela. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be another declutter video in my decluttering series. And I know I just posted my makeup declutter. If you haven't seen that, link will be down below. But I wanted to come back on here and do a bathroom declutter because I really needed to do this and I've been putting it off and this was the best time. You guys seem to really enjoy these videos too, so I feel like it's totally okay to like post them back to back. I don't know. Sorry about it, but I hope you guys are excited because this video is going to be really fun. I love decluttering, obviously, and my bathroom really needed it. And the whole point of decluttering anything is to get rid of the things that you don't use and that you've tried that don't work for you. And as someone that receives PR and is constantly trying out new products to let you guys know how it goes, I need to do this like often, and so this is very necessary. Like I mentioned, I like to declutter my products quite often. That way I can make space for new products to come in for me to test them out to let you guys know if they're worth the money. And I do that on my Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen last week I posted about this. This was a mystery box that was sent to me with a brand new hair product, and it says wonderful hair awaits inside. And when you open it up, it says intense shine, instant softness, weightless movement. And then the packaging here, it says works on all hair types, and the bottle of the actual product is completely unmarked. So all I knew about this product was that it is a hair treatment and that the brand of it is owned by L'Oreal in some capacity. So that is pretty much all I was told, and I did like a little first impressions. I basically just commented on how watery it is and how it has a very like light scent, which you don't really normally think of when you think of like hair treatment. You're gonna think of like something a little bit thicker in consistency. So here is a clip of what my hair looked like after I had blow dried it and it was all nice and smooth. Also too, the before and after, immensely different. My hair obviously looks a lot like silkier and shinier. It definitely just felt, like I said, very detangled, very smooth. I basically got to find out what the product was, and it was this baby. So this is the L'Oreal Paris 8-Second Wonder Water Lamellar Rinse Out. It has no silicone and no weigh down. So it's an 8-second treatment for your hair that you can do in the shower. 8 seconds is like such a minimal amount of time. So I was like super interested to try this out. So later on in the video, you guys will see me test this out on my hair, and yeah, I'm very excited for them to be sponsoring a portion of this video. Also, the fact that they're sponsoring a declutter video is like super major for me because I love posting these videos, and I just thought it would be kind of fun to incorporate this in a bathroom declutter versus like a night routine or like, you know, not your typical beauty video, because like I said, the whole point of decluttering is so you can make way to try new things, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Of course, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. I would really appreciate it, and turn on post notifications because YouTube doesn't put videos in subscription boxes anymore, and it's very frustrating. So if you like my content, definitely turn on those notifications and check out my Instagram so you don't miss out on things like this before they happen. Also too, they were giving a bunch away, so I had that swipe up included if you guys wanted to try out the product as well. So if you don't want to miss those things, definitely check out my Instagram. But I think that's about it. Let's go ahead and get into the decluttering, and then we will chat about this product after. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is kind of just like tidy up the top. I'm gonna come back to this section later, but I have like all my hair tools out, which I can put in my studio. So I'm going to just unplug them, roll them up, get them out. There's a couple other things that don't really have spots, but I'm gonna just kind of adjust all of this later because I wanna do the cabinets first. I feel like that's like the smartest thing to do because they're the most full, and then some of these things can be tucked under, but this doesn't live here. Little bit of a changed angle now, and I have grabbed my white bucket. I typically use this for products that are brand new or things that I can pass along to friends and family. And then I also have a box here that's going to be garbage, things that have expired or that I simply want to get rid of. So I'm gonna start down here. The first thing I'm gonna do is actually wipe this down because it's gross. Give it a nice little wipe. As you guys can see, this is my face mask drawer. Some of these I've had for a really long time, so I'm gonna get rid of a bunch of them. And then hopefully we can condense this to like half the size. to the under sink cabinet. As you guys can see, it is jam-packed full, so I need to get rid of a lot of stuff here. I do have the same organizing bins that I use for my makeup storage. I have like this side, and then I have one over here with face masks. I think my plan right now is to just pull everything out, give it a wipe down, and then put back only what I'm going to be using.
I wanna start up something new. I wanna see things I have never seen before. I'm tired of these city streets. I would go anywhere as long as I'm with you. You see, you're all I see. I wanna run away with you. I don't really care where to. Just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you. Tell me that you want it too. Just wanna be alone with you. I try my best to concentrate. I try my best to keep my mind and my head straight. I've been feeling as of late that all I wanna do is go out somewhere new. As long as I'm with you. I wanna run away with you. I don't really care where to. Just wanna be alone with you.
Here is a look at what the cabinet currently looks like. So I kind of switched out these drawers here. So up here I have a bunch of like reusable cotton rounds and things like that, and Crest White strips in the back, and then some teeth stuff. This is like the random drawer. So this has like my beauty blender, cleanser, a Tide to Go pen, some travel stuff, and just like that's my random drawer, which I don't really want to like organize any further. And then I do have a tanning drawer that has a bunch of tanning products, along with some over here that won't fit. And then this is just like my period stuff with my cup and cup wash and all that kind of stuff. And then yeah, that's pretty much it for the top there. On the side, I just have some Lush products, and then yeah, just some like wipes and cotton rounds. And then down here I have face masks and a little bit of skincare. These are like oils to remove heavy makeup. There's another mask that I put in here as well. And yeah, that looks so much cleaner. Okay, moving on to the top of the counter, I'm basically going to be removing everything and then putting it all back, wiping it down. All the stuff here is pretty well staying, so it's just a matter of reorganizing. I do think I need to go to IKEA and get some new organizers though, because these ones from Target are just like completely falling apart because they're wooden, and they get like a little bit wet from being in this room because it's so small. So yeah, I want to replace those eventually, but not today. I also really need to find a container to hold these. I know I have reusable ones and I'm trying to make the switch, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. But like having this plastic bag here ain't cute. So gotta find a container for those. Also, if you guys are wondering what this like black thing is in my bathroom here, it's a iPhone tripod. I got it off Amazon. I'll link it down below. But it's really great for like filming in my bathroom when I want to share with you guys like hair tips and makeup stuff and skincare. So I just kind of like leave it here permanently. Also, this cloth is the coolest thing ever. It's for windows and mirrors, and you don't need like any product with it. You just need to get it damp, wring it out, make it like less saturated, and then wipe all your mirrors, and it works so well. I haven't used Windex in like so long, so if you guys are looking for a sustainable option for wiping your mirrors, this is it. cleaned. I feel so much better. The decluttering was so important, and there's honestly nothing better than going in to have a shower in a freshly cleaned bathroom. And now it's time to like cleanse myself, wash my hair, and get me, you know, looking a little bit better than this. Obviously, I like to shower after I do all my cleaning, but I'm very excited because we are going to be trying out this new L'Oreal product. This, as I've mentioned, is the L'Oreal Paris 8-Second Wonder Water. So it says it transforms your hair in 8 seconds, and we are going to be testing that out. I'm so excited to try this. So I wanted to do a quick little before of my hair so you guys can see what it looks like. When did I last wash my hair? Maybe like 3 days ago? Probably 3 days ago. So it's a little bit dry on the ends. It's very poofy. I did have it styled at one point, but I've danced and I have put it up in a bun, and this is what we're dealing with. So here's a little look at the back. Kind of frizzy just because I have had it up. But this is what my hair naturally looks like. Not my favorite. Now this is definitely a very dramatic before, but that'll make for some good results, and you guys will see by the end of this video my hair will be looking so much better. Alright friends, this is now the time where I'm going to be trying out the brand new L'Oreal Paris 8-Second Wonder Water Lamellar Rinse Out Treatment, and I'm so excited. I love the packaging. First off, the nozzle makes it really easy, you guys will see, to apply the product, but the back of the packaging actually has little indicators for the 20 milliliter marks, and so this way you can tell how much product to use depending on your hair type and your hair length. And I just thought that was very, very smart because sometimes you just never know how much product to use. So this was really great and very impressive that they included that. And the way you want to apply this product is, I personally like to apply it right to my hair instead of putting it in my palm and then to my hair. Because it's so watery, I didn't want to lose any product. So I just took the nozzle and put that right directly onto my hair. You want to go ahead and massage that in for about 8 seconds. Also too, should have mentioned, this goes on after your shampoo. This is going to replace your conditioner and any hair mask or any other treatment. So you want to massage that into your hair for 8 seconds, and the first thing I noticed was that it did start to foam up and lather up really nicely. It can also heat up because that's just the product activating. Also too, the fragrance comes through so much more once the product is like in your hair and working, which it smelled really good. It was very fruity and fresh. First thing I noticed was how smooth my hair was, but also how not tangly it was. Sometimes with masks and conditioner, I like to take a wet brush while I'm in the shower and brush it out, but I didn't need to do that. My fingers ran through my hair super, super nicely. Once I got out of the shower, I skipped any product that I would normally apply into my hair, and if you guys have seen my hair care routine videos, I usually apply a lot of product to my hair once it's wet, once I'm out of the shower, before I blow dry. I also always blow dry my hair. I very rarely let it air dry. It just doesn't go well for me. So here is a clip of what my hair looked like after I had blow dried it, and it was all nice and smooth. Also too, the before and after, immensely different. My hair obviously looks a lot like silkier and shinier. It definitely just felt, like I said, very detangled, very smooth. And of course, I did go ahead and style my hair as you see here. So this is what it looks like once I had completely styled it. Very soft and silky and nourished and hydrated, which you guys know I obviously get my hair colored. I'm constantly putting heat on it, so treatments like this are really important to maintain my hair and keep it looking healthy and shiny like it does in these clips. They do recommend you use this about 2 to 3 times a week, and I personally don't wash my hair all that often, so I'm thinking I'm going to use this like every second time I shower or so, because I do want to use up the product and see if I can get even better results using it over a period of time. My first impression though was that it was really good. It's really easy to use. Obviously it takes very little time, so it's like kind of a no-brainer step in your shower routine. I really like the smell of it, and obviously my hair was like just so detangled and smooth and soft, and it feels very, very soft right now. So I really like it. It's from the drugstore, so it's very affordable. L'Oreal Paris has some really awesome hair products, and I just think this is kind of a very interesting brand new product. The fact that it is like liquid too. Very interesting, and like I said, I'm impressed. So I'll have a link down below if you guys want to check it out as well and get smooth, soft, shiny hair like myself. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Huge thank you to L'Oreal Paris for sponsoring this portion of the video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.